This spice is 400 times more powerful than diabetes drugs. A recent study published in the International Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism titled Anti-Hyperglycemic Effect and Insulin Sensitizing Effects of Turmeric and its Principal Constituent Curcumin adds promising new support to the notion that the ancient Indian spice turmeric may provide an ideal drug alternative to treating and perhaps even preventing type 2 diabetes, which has become of the world's most prevalent diagnosis. Research communications found that curcumin is 400 times more powerful than the common diabetes drug metformin in improving insulin sensitivity and helping to reverse type 2 diabetes. Turmeric has been used as a spice in curry for centuries and recently has been touted for its extraordinary health benefits. To date, there have been over 6,000 peer-reviewed research studies published proving the benefits of turmeric and specifically curcumin, one of turmeric's highly regarded healing compounds. Out of the thousands of studies, one of the most interesting findings is that when turmeric is compared to pharmaceutical medications, the benefits are often equal or better without dangerous side effects. Most of the people are aware that turmeric and curcumin have potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-cancer activities. However, the recognition that it is also superior to modern medications used to treat diabetes. Natural remedies, however, can be very effective. A large number of studies have shown that curcumin can be very helpful at decreasing blood sugar as well as the complications of diabetes. Other studies have shown its effectiveness in treating other aspects of diabetes, both in type 1 and type 2. A research done by Beijing University of Chinese Medicine and McGill University showed that curcumin reduced both blood sugar and cholesterol levels. In addition, curcumin suppressed the activities of white blood cells called macrophages that cause inflammation as well as showed down many of the complications of diabetes in which inflammation plays a role. Curcumin improved insulin function by helping the hormone get into the cells, thus reducing insulin resistance. Curcumin also protects beta cells which produce insulin. Studies have found that beta cells grew faster and lived longer who consumed curcumin. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.